Good morning. Today, solar panels are expensive, they're bulky, and they're weighty. Not everyone can afford solar panels today. This is where I would like to reveal the power of the sun. We have yet to harness the full power of the sun. The sun's power is infinite. It can last for 5 billion years. In one day, 24 hours, it can power the entire world for a very long time. Yet we do not have the technology. Our technology today is still bulky because we have yet to appreciate the essence of the technology, especially when it comes to voltage. There is much fear in the world regarding voltage, which is where I invented a dual voltage system. This dual voltage system is called paraseries. I've written an earlier book. It's a very technical book. This book is about switching battery, where the batteries get switched, and it's a dynamic paraseries connection. About 200 years ago, Volta discovered the batteries, but he actually did not discover the battery. What he discovered was a battery connection method called parallel and series. Using parallel and series, we still use the same methodology today. The methodology is a fixed system. In other words, when you want to have 12 volt to charge a device, you also charge it in 12 volts. This is where my view differed, and it took me a long time to come up, and I produced several prototypes, and many of it are going to be introduced in the market shortly. And this is that you don't have to charge at series voltage. You can charge in parallel voltage and discharge in series voltage. Let me do a quick demonstration of this technology. This here uses 2 batteries of 4 volts each. When I turn this is off mode. In this off mode is 4.09 volts. But when I turn it on, you can see it's 7.54 volts. What it's actually demonstrating is that it is discharging in series, but it's actually also charging when I turn it off, because this is now connected to a small solar panel which I've placed outside, and the solar panel, because it's charging it in the off mode, is capable of increasing the voltage. Right now, as you can see, it's 4.1 volt. It's gone up to 4.11 volt, and it will gradually increase until it reaches a maximum of 4.2 volts. Now, likewise, let me demonstrate another product. This one here is another kinematic charger. A kinematic charger changes states, and that's what my products are about. They change states. In this, you can see 3 batteries of 4 volt each. In other words, they discharge at 12 volts, but they only charge using a low voltage in parallel at 4 volts. So in this system here, it fits nicely into a docking station. This docking station here uses a 6 volt solar panel, and that is here. Let me show this to you. This is a 6 volt 2 amp solar panel. With a 6 volt 2 amp solar panel, you can charge this docking station. Now, this is where you need to have a comparison. The comparison is, in today's technology, they use this one here, 12 volts, 12 volt 2 amps, roughly twice what I'm using. This is 24 watts, and I'm using 12 watts. Which would you prefer? In terms of size, weight, my technology is half. The reason it is half is because I use a kinematic charger. A kinematic charger changes states. It recognizes that you can charge at a lower voltage, and the lower voltage is of course healthier because batteries will love you. They will last longer for you because they charge at lower voltage. What is happening today is everyone charges 12-volt batteries like this. They charge it at 12 volts. This is not healthy. With this system, it's a healthy system that you can count on. Your batteries will last even longer.